So here we have our onions. We are going to be using this particular onions for the tomatoes. So for every Nigerian jollof rice, you have two parts. One of the major parts is how you fry your tomatoes. Okay, the outcome of your jollof rice will depend on how you fry your tomatoes. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious tomato sauce for your jollof rice. Okay, so we have our tomatoes. I'm going to blend it, okay, because I have picky kids. You don't have to blend it. Right now, I'm going to blend the onions. Let's add our vegetable oil. So I told you I'm going to blend my onions with vegetable oil, okay? We have our bay leaf and curry powder. I'm going to mix it up. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my jollof rice sauce, and it comes out very tasty. The onions is fried. At this point, I'm adding our tomatoes. We are using a tomato puree. I use it mostly for my jollof rice because it's not too tangy. Give it a mix. You need patience when you are cooking your tomatoes for your jollof rice, or else it will not come out well. Okay, so you need patience. Give it time, it will cook down. Then when it's ready, we will add our broth. To prevent it from splashing, I'm going to cover it. So this is our tomatoes. In this video, we're making a delicious tomato sauce for Nigerian jollof rice. Okay, this is how I prepare my sauce, and it always comes out very tasty. All right, at this point, these tomatoes is properly fried. Even the color has changed and become darker. Okay, it will get a little burnt, but don't allow it to be too burnt, or the taste will be bad. If your jollof rice is going to come out tasty, then you need a delicious broth too. After frying your tomatoes, you need a delicious broth. So we are using chicken for the broth. Mix it up. So the next thing to do is to season this stew very well. Okay, this sauce, season it very well. So here we have our bouillon and the salt. Already we have some in the broth, so I'm gonna add it. You season this broth so well that it's almost like salty but not salty, okay, so that when you add your rice and it soaks it, the taste will be good. It will not be under salted. That is how to measure the seasoning, okay. Let it be tasty, okay. So we are going to allow it to simmer, then we can store it in the freezer and use it for jollof rice anytime that we want. But this is how I make my jollof rice, tomato sauce, and it comes out tasty. At this point, our sauce is ready, okay. You can use it now for your jollof rice. You can pour your washed rice and allow it to cook. Please share, comment, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye, and God bless you.